Hello, I would like to introduce the ultrasonic spot welding machine to you. First off, this one is the power switch. You can choose to turn on or turn it off. And next off will be the ammeter. The ammeter, the pointer normally will stay on the minimum. If it stay on the maximum, it means your machine is broken and you have to solve it, find the problem. Now I will walk through to it. Once you press the button here, the ammeter, the pointer will be ticking and be back on the normal originals. Okay, next, I would like to introduce the welding time to you. The welding time it is adjustable. You can turn it on to 25 or 35. The highest you got, the longer the ultrasonic will stay on your material. So it will depends on you how much ultrasonic you want on your material. It works on your material. And then next will be the detection switch. Okay, let me explain to you what does the detection switch works. It is to prevent the bottom that we're holding be broken. If we hold the gun and press the detection switch, it will still works. That means your bottom of here is broken, and then you have to switch it because this one is the easy damage item, so it is much easier to get broke. Let me try again. You can see it will be worked. Okay, if you want just manually to operate the machine, then you will need to run through these two wires. For this one will be the power wire to plug in, and this one will be controlling the ultrasonic. As you can see, there's a 4-hole here, and we do design different hole for prevent you got wrong which one is for which. The 4-hole one is for the ultrasonic gun. You have to find out the plugging one and to plug it to the machine. Okay, so for the 2-hole, if you want to do the automatic, you have to get 2 extra wire. They are different from 2 holes and 3 holes. The 2 holes is for the air cylinder, and the 3 holes is for the pedal. I will teach you how to turn the manual working to the automatic working, and then I will have my colleague to show you how to install the ultrasonic gun. You turn it around, you can see the red button here. This will be the switcher of the battery, and then you can use it to test. Make sure your ultrasonic gun is going to the lowest, therefore your ultrasonic will be works. You have to press your ultrasonic gun, make sure it goes to the lower, and then perfectly match it to your platform. And then find a screw to tie it. And next step will be lock it. Once it's all set, you can run a test on your material. You can went through the stepping the pedal and then. You can see the effective working here. Okay, by the way, like the holes on the pedal is not our fault because it's a testing machine, and then we use the triple pedal here, F1, so you can see there's some holes and scrabble here. And then another thing we have to mention is here is the electric relay. When while you working, the relay will go up and down, and then you can make sure your machine will be working here. You can check any condition finding here. And here we're setting to the 0.5 seconds. We'll show you how 0.5 seconds works. Okay, now I will show you the 0.1 seconds. The faster you set, like the air cylinder will go faster up and down. And then the longest we have is 1 second. Just pull all the way to the right. That's 1 second. That means your ultrasonic will stay longer on the material. Yeah, you can see. It's clearly going lower and longer stays. And for the other side, this is the air cylinder we can see here. Okay, now here is the air cylinder. We were setting on the 1 kg on the pressure. We'll see how 1 kg works on the air cylinder first. Okay, now we will try to get stronger air pressure on here. We have set it to 2 kg now. The bigger number you set, the stronger the ultrasonic machine will hit. Now we are setting to the 3 kg now. As you can see, the machine obviously giving out more ultrasonic here. You can see it's all punched out. Okay, now I will introduce you how to switch the head mode. First of all, we have to loosen the head mode here. And then you have to find 2 spanner, but we have 2 spanner ready for you already in the box. Now they are different on 22 size and 24 size. Then now you can put it out. And let's switch a new one.
没有回来，等下还要你抓的。
Okay, after you twist all the way, you will need 2 spanner again to lock it. Make sure it's stable on the gun. Okay, then you will have the protection here. It is done.